Hello students, so here we're doing a word problem on the first chapter, real numbers, where the question is a little different. So the question is, a sweet seller has 420 kaju barfis, 150 badam barfis. He wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. How many of these can be placed in each stack? How many stacks are formed? Now, the first important thing when you're doing the word problem technically, is you need to read the question a couple of times. As long as you don't understand every sentence of it, you will not be able to do it perfectly. So in this sentence, I see it's not just one part, there are two parts. The first part is how many of these can be placed in each stack. First part. Second part, how many stacks are formed. So you have this huge amount of quantities of kaju barfi and huge amount of quantity of badam barfi. So first we'll find out how many ways can stack them so that they are in maximum numbers. And how many stacks are of those? So that's the question technically. If you understand the question, then you will get to know what needs to be done. So here again, the question is not increasing or decreasing. It's technically remain the same. So it's just arrangement. So this is a question on HCF. This is how we figure out if it's a question of HCF or LCF. It's HCF. So we start off with finding out the HCF of 420 and 150. So it's that simple. We start with the factorization process. 420 to 2 tens, and again 105. Yeah. And this is odd numbers. So we've got 5 pages. We've got 5, 21 times, 3 7 times, and 7 1 times. This is going to be your 420's factors. Now with 150's factors, it's more easier. 3 3 times, 5 10 times, 2 5 times, 5 1 times. This is the factors. Any common factor we'll try to figure out. So that is 1 factor, 2 1 to common. There's 5 and 5 also common. And then there's 3 and 3 also common. Is there anything common? Yes. No. So HCF of theirs is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So 30 stacks. We can put so many sweets in stacks of 30s. So we can see that the answer for the first part, we can put 420 kaju barfi and 150 badam barfi in stacks of 30. Now, how many stacks are formed is the question. Stacks is like a bundle, like a cover, like a big box that will put bundles of these 30 pieces of each. So how many stacks will form? For kaju, it's going to be 420 by 30, which is going to be 3. Uh, well, 14 stacks for kaju. For badam, it's 150 by 30, which is 5. Right? So 14 of kaju stacks, 5 of this, total stacks, 14 plus 5, 19. So that's how we find out the number of stacks we can produce to put 420 kaju barfis and 150 badam barfis in same numbers. Right? That's going to be the answer of this question. Thank you.